Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove or delete the fingerprint lock on any Oppo phone. Now, if you want to remove or delete the fingerprint lock on your Oppo phone, first of all, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then tap on security and privacy. And from here, you will find the option of device unlock. Just tap on it. Then tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Now from here, just tap on fingerprint. Then enter your lock screen pin. Now at the top of the screen, you will find the fingerprints which you have enrolled. Now to delete the fingerprints, just tap on the three dots in front of the fingerprint which you have added and select delete. From here, select delete, and once you do that, you will delete the fingerprint lock on your Oppo phone. And this is how you can remove and delete fingerprint lock on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.